By 2033, Bengaluru is projected to have a second airport, with the Karnataka government poised to determine its location soon. Potential sites include Sarjapura, Kanakapura Road, Tumkur and Dabaspete. The final decision will hinge on prioritizing passenger load or connectivity to the existing airport. Minister for Infrastructure M.B. Patil emphasized these considerations, noting that a departmental and subsequent cabinet meeting will address the issue. Currently, the Kempegowda International Airport (KIA), operated by Bangalore International Airport Limited (BIAL), is the third busiest in India, following Delhi and Mumbai airports. Last year, KIA handled 37.5 million passengers and over 400,000 tons of cargo, with projections indicating that KIA will reach its maximum capacity by 2033. The need for a second airport has become urgent. The exclusivity clause with BIAL, which prevents the establishment of another airport within a 150-kilometer radius, expires in 2032. This timeline necessitates immediate planning for a new airport, considering the extensive processes of land acquisition and compensation. The Karnataka government has already begun these preparations, driven by a 2020 recommendations from the Bengaluru Chamber of Commerce, which advocated for a second airport to enhance connectivity, affordability and regional development. The chamber highlighted that a new airport would foster inclusive growth in the area. Recently, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin announced plans for an airport in Hosur, following Karnataka's prior announcement about a new airport. Minister M.B. Patil emphasized that Karnataka made the announcement first and remarked that the state's location decision would comply with central standards, considering factors such as technical work, connectivity, land, rail, water and passenger traffic.
Before Tamil Nadu government, I who had a meeting. It was we who announced first that we are coming up with an airport. Yes. After our announcement, Tamil Nadu has made an announcement in Hosur. Whether it is in a natural purpose or a deliberate purpose, I don't know. I don't know to enter into anyone this one with Tamil Nadu. But we are very serious, because our Bangalore Kempegowda International Airport, its peak, this one, will reach by 2035. Passenger load as well as cargo load. So we have to have another international airport of the same size and capacity. That's 100 million passengers capacity, this one, and we are looking for the second airport. We have had one initial meeting with our corporation, which is doing this initial study report, feasibility study. So we have come with 3-4 parameters, and also we are looking into two major parameters: whether the airport has to be in a close proximity, connectivity with the existing airport of Kempegowda International Airport, around 50, 60, 70 kilometers, or we have to go by the passenger load comes which from the area which comes from south. So options are open. It may happen anywhere after this one on merit.